Your unit 5 is based on image segmentation. So basically in this unit, we will be covering these points, various methods of segmenting image. Okay. Broadly, these are classified into similarity based technique and discontinuity based techniques. Okay. So for discontinuity based segmentation, we need to know how we can detect point, lines, and edges in an image. Then what are first order derivative operators for edge detection like Prewitt, Sobel. Then we will be also discussing second order derivative operators like Laplacian of Gaussian, log, dog, and canny edge detection algorithm. So these log, dog, and canny, these are not operators, but these are algorithms for detecting edges. Then how after edge detection, next step in discontinuity based segmentation is linking all those edge points to form continuous border of the object. Okay. So for that you need edge linking step. Then one of the simplest method based on discontinuity is thresholding. So we will be having a look at global and adaptive thresholding methods and Otsu's method in brief. And then after that, we will be studying similarity based segmentation methods named as region growing, region splitting, and region split merge techniques. So these are all the topics that we will be studying under image segmentation. So let us have a look at what do you mean by segmentation. So segmentation is to subdivide an image into its component regions or objects. Okay. So basically we divide image into different regions or different objects. That is meaning of segmentation. So image analysis extract information from input images to perform high level machine vision applications. An important step in automatic pictorial pattern recognition and scene analysis is nothing but image segmentation. So to perform image analysis and to extract important features which are required for machine vision operations, one important step is image segmentation. And this image segmentation algorithm should stop when the objects of interest in an application have been isolated. Okay, so here one simple example is shown. So here you can observe an image where coins are placed on a top, table top. Okay, so it is top view of an image. So of an object where objects are coins. These coins are placed on a plain surface. Okay. So here say the task is to count the number of coins. So if the task given is to count the number of coins, for this we can use simple step, that is image segmentation. So very first step of image analysis or any computer vision application, not first step, very important step is image segmentation. So by applying some simple threshold based image segmentation technique, we can segment the image as shown here. Okay, so here there is black background. Okay, so this is black background and all colored circles, they represent coins or the detected objects. So this is simple step of segmentation. We can achieve it simply by threshold based segmentation. We can get these objects. Okay, so even for such simple computer vision problem like determining number of coins on the given surface, we can use this segmentation step, and simply by counting these total circles we can detect how many coins are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 coins are there. Then further your computer vision problem might be complex. In addition to counting the number of coins, say if we want what are the various coins. Okay, so according to its amount, say we want to classify these coins into different groups. Okay, so for that also this segmentation step is needed. After segmentation, we get these circles, and by checking size of each circle, we can decide whether it represents 1 rupee, 10 rupee or 5 rupee coin. Okay, so next analysis step can be uh, determining size of these circles, so that further you can classify these coins into different groups. Okay, so whatever may be your complexity of computer vision application, if you want to automate this computer vision application, an essential step is segmenting the objects from the given image. Okay, so basically, segmentation attempts to partition the pixels of an image into groups that strongly correlate with the objects in an image. This is one more example. So this is some satellite image where there are only gray levels, and say we want to classify the image into different regions. So here in this case, we can use some region based techniques, region growing techniques, to segment the image into different regions. Okay, in the region growing techniques, basically we start with some seed point, and we keep on identifying similar neighboring pixels. Okay, and we continue to grow the region until the pixels are similar. So say if we start from this central seed value, here as we go to neighboring pixels along this central value, say in a radial fashion, we can say that all the pixels having dark gray shades are similar to each other, and after region growing we can get this particular segment, and we can apply this region growing by multiple seed values to detect all these multiple regions. And here there is one more example where small isolated regions are present, and those are segmented using one more region based technique. Okay, so with this brief introduction to segmentation, we stop